Hi guys, hello and welcome to another video tutorial in DB2 UDB programming. In this tutorial, we will learn about the case when statements in DB2. For example, if I would like to display the title and the retail for the books from my books table, but along with that, I want to make some decision making that if the retail amount is less than $30, I want to have a column created on the fly which will display cheap for any book less than $30 or will display average for any books between 30 and less than 50 and expensive for anything else. So in order to do that, I could very well take help from the case when statements. So I want to display title and the retail, and I have a case and case statements where I make my first decision as a third column. Don't forget the comma after retail. That will be my third column created on the fly. That when the retail is less than 30, I want to display cheap. If the value of retail is less than 50, that means it will only come to the second condition if the first condition is false. So in that case, I want to display average. Otherwise, I want to display expensive. And I am aliasing this column as category. Let me quickly run this so that you can see the output. And here is the output that you can see. That I have a title and I have retail and I have category. And the category is the field that we just created, and that is the field that based on the retail's value, it will display either average or cheap or expensive. Since 22 is less than 30, it displays cheap. It's 30.95 is 30 or greater, it's average. And anything that is over 50 or equals to 50 will be considered expensive. And that's how I was able to generate a column on the fly. You can also use the case when statements in your where clause, and that's what I want to show you next. For example, I want to select all computer books that cost more than $28. I want to select all cooking books that cost more than $20, and I want all other books if they cost more than $35, they should be selected. So I am selecting the ISBN, the title, the cost, the category from the books table. So these are the fields I want to select. However, I want to select only those fields where the cost is greater than. Now, this basically, instead of listing the values, I can now categorize the values by category. So I can literally say that I want the cost to be greater than, and now I am using one of the fields that I listed up there. I'm saying, okay, I want you to check if the category value is computer, then return 28. That means the record that you're reading, if the category field has the value computer, then return 28. So it will only select those records where cost is greater than 28 for the category computer. If the category field holds the value cooking, then return the value 20. So it will only select those records where the category is cooking and the cost is greater than 20. For all other categories, it is 35. So that allows you to create a beautiful set of data values. So let me run this so that you can see the output. And here you can see that we have in the children category, which is basically falls under the else condition, we have something that costs more than 35, and then we have computer, something that costs more than 28, and another more than 28, another more than 28, and family life. Now, nothing was selected in from the cooking because cooking really doesn't has any book that is more than 20. Think about as a developer, you would have to write this inside your application. Now this is something that you can do right within your SQL statements, and that's so beautiful. So I hope this was a good learning experience for you. You could probably learn something new. Let me know in the comment section below how you like this video, and we will continue to give you more videos on DB2 UDB programming. Till then, guys, take care. Bye-bye.